SlamStop is a new universal car door soft closer, the main function of which is to pull slightly closed doors to a completely closed position. With SlamStop, you do not need to worry about a door a passenger left open. The door will smoothly close itself. SlamStop is simple, silent, and elegant. For sure, you will appreciate what SlamStop brings to the table. Doors close safely and as quiet as a whisper. This is a convenience you can get used to. Driving is safe and carefree. No worries. Doors are always fully closed. SlamStop is the first after-sales product of its kind. Previously, such devices were only available for luxury brands. SlamStop works with all models, all classes, all brands, and all years. Installation takes only 4 hours, 1 hour per car door, regardless of the kind. Yep, sliders too. Installation will not affect the appearance or technical specifications of the car. SlamStop complies with all international quality standards in the automotive industry. It has been tested for over 30,000 cycles. The quality of our product is built on the experience of European developers and the highest international standards as embodied in South Korean assembly lines. Who will like SlamStop for sure? Gadget lovers, modders, high-end car owners, and families with children. Everyone who is up for making their favorite car even better will all be willing to install SlamStop. SlamStop is successfully taking on the automotive market around the globe, from Singapore to the United States. We are planning to rapidly expand the number of offices worldwide and will be very happy to work with you.